Hello. Hold on, let me get the mic on. Rhonda White here, LovelyLooks.co. And I know it's been a while, so we're going to get this information out to you because you might be going, what? It's a Facebook Live today. Yes, it is. And I know it's been a while, so we have all kinds of things going on. So hang in. I'm going to get these invites out and make sure that all of you catch up with me. Okay. Here we go. Oh, okay, hold on. We got a lot to click here, and it takes a while. Okay, hang in there. And a lot going on here. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to miss some of you, I think. Okay, hey Michelle, hey Laura, hey Denise, thanks for watching. So, convention was amazing. I had the best time. Hey Jim. So, it was terrific, just like conventions are. If you've ever been to a convention for anything, you know that you're busy and doing things. And so, I apologize for not getting to you all the time. I did do that Facebook Live on the convention stuff because for convention people, that's when we go and we get all of those good, nice things you can't find the rest of the year. Okay, so that's really awesome. So if you're looking for those types of swag products, you want to get yourself to convention and you want to get yourself there early. But we have new Kudos out. We have new items coming, and I mean it's rolling out. Like we have something coming on the 20th. We got more stuff coming out on the 1st and mid-September, and then all the way into October we got more products rolling out. So I have some very important products to talk to you about. And first, what we're going to do is while we're talking about all of this good stuff, I'm going to show you, because this month's Kudos, where'd it go? Part of it's over there. This month's Kudos, okay? I'm going to show you this color. And some people are going like, what do I wear it with? And I'm going to show you. Hang on. So, every August, when we hold convention, we do a very special Kudos for the Defend Innocence, okay, which is our Y foundation. So you'll see it in a white packaging, not the purple, and it has the blue words on it for Defend Innocence. So everything that comes in the Kudos will be in the white and blue packaging, okay? I'm going to go through those products right now, but before I show you, I'm going to remove it with the shine cloth. So this morning I took Kevi over to, if you saw my post, I took Kevi over to the doctor, her pediatrician, to have her 2-year checkup. Yes, I did. Okay, so if you, hey Julie, if you have a little one, you know what I'm talking about, okay? 2-year checkup. And go ahead and take a look at that other post, because while I was at convention, Grandma potty trained her. Yes, potty trained her. Give me a thumbs up, because I'm telling you, if you're a parent, potty training is not easy, right? Yeah, hello. Potty training is not easy. And this is what I'm saying. If you missed your window of opportunity, because, you know, you're busy, you're living your life, you've got things to do, answer phones, go places, drive here, drive there, right? If you miss your opportunity, it's like starting all over at zero, right? Do you agree with me? Hey, Lisa, potty training is not easy. So to all you parents out there, kudos to you if you did it yourself because it is not an easy task. I understand that. But I have it much easier now because she's potty trained, and so I have to do the upkeep, right? Because at some point she's going to have to pull down her own pull-up, sit on the toilet. She knows how to sit on the toilet and go, but I have to make sure that she doesn't sit on her pull-up and then go and just sit on the toilet going, I went. Well, no, you still went in your diaper. Okay, so all we did was remove any of the makeup I had on to go to the doctor's office. Now, I went to the doctor's office, so I went for a very minimal look, okay, like this, very minimal, but I still have makeup on, and let that dry. Okay, and so I'm ecstatic. I got a big shout out to my mom there. Grandma did a fabulous job getting her potty trained. I'm going to start with the eye primer, okay, so now we already did our brow, so we're going to leave it on. I'm going to smooth that over. Just like that. Okay, let that absorb in, let it sit. Now, I always start with the Splurge Cream Shadow and Bittersweet. And remember, it was our Kudos buy last month. And if you didn't pick one of these up, let me know, okay? But it was on the Kudos buy, so it was a spectacular buy. You should have got one of these. And if you don't, let me know. Okay, this is Bittersweet because it has that kind of that undertone of a peachy color, okay? But if you want Victorious that doesn't have that peachy color, then you can use that one as well, depending on your skin tone. Now, of course, convention is amazing. They tell us what's changing, what's new, what's exciting in our comp plan, more ways you can get paid, more money that you can make. It's awesome. But they also tell us about new products. We also receive new products, and we get free products while we're there. Okay, we get tutorials, we get lessons, we get everything, okay? And we have a lot of fun when we do it. So you see those photos of us going out at night and having hoots and stuff. It's kind of like, okay, I don't have a sister anymore, but I'll tell you this. You ever go out with your friends and you laugh hysterically and have a great time and you just kind of bust out, right? You do your own thing. You have a great time. Yeah, awesome grandma, huh? Got to hand it over to grandma. Thank you. Thank you very much, Julie. So, that's what we do. We have a great time. So I'm purposely leaving it a little bit heavy today. Okay, you can see that Bittersweet is on there. Okay, now I'm going to go to our pressed shadows. Okay, this just happens to be the orange, brown, green palettes that I put together. And I'm going to pick, you could pick one of two colors. You can either pick Discreet, okay, or you can pick, either one of these would work, Timid, okay. Almost close to nephew's home. Okay, they're almost close to Bittersweet. Okay, it doesn't matter which one you pick. And the dogs. I'm going to take out just this brush here. It happens to be the deluxe brush. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. Get it on there. I'm going to sweep that over because I want a very neutral look. Okay, so the Timid's going to be a little more on the peachy side, and the Discreet's going to be less peachy, okay? So, see how that is? Okay, now I'm going to show you why I'm doing this. Our Kudos is this right here. It is one of our pressed shadows. It's a beautiful, it's like a silver, but almost like a slight blue hint undertone of a silver. But you know what? If you're a Dallas Cowboy fan, this is for you. If you're a Raiders fan, this is for you. I want you to see that. Hey, Glenda, you want to have one of these. Now, the Kudos this month also comes with our Dip and Draw, and it's also, I like to call it chrome. You see that color? I'm going to put it on my wrist. Look at that chrome color. So if you're afraid and you go like, I would rather have kind of a gray eyeliner, I do not want to wear a strong black eyeliner, but I'm not crazy about brown. This is for you. And I'm also wearing the Kudos lipstick that comes with it right here, okay? So this is what we are going to do. You're going to take out, we already put on the base, take out this right here, this kind of silver. I'm going to take out a crease brush, dip it in there, just kind of dab it in there, dab, 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 get it on there. We're going to go straight to that crease area, okay? I'm going to lean back so I could see the mirror a little bit. Okay, so right here, and that's my dogs barking at my nephew. Okay. Just like that. Now this is really quick because we're only using the 2 colors. Okay. Now I'm going to sweep it under that lash right there. Okay. Now I got a little bit too much on my skin here. A little removal. And I want to show you this color. I'm going to get close to you. I'm going to put a little more on so you can really see this color. See that color? So that's why I'm wearing the nude, so you can really see this color. Because now we're going to apply the liner. Okay? It looks like this. I call it chrome. Okay? Yeah, it's silver. I call it kind of chrome. It's dip and draw. Great for New Year's Eve parties. Great when you want to go sparkly. If you like to wear black shadow or something, you give it a pop with this, okay? So we're going to put this on just like our normal eyeliners, our normal dip and draws. And I'm going to go big in the center, bell-shaped curved, okay? I'm going to put enough on because I want you to see the color. Okay, so I'm going to get close to you so you can see the color. See the color. There it is. Okay, it's a beautiful color. Beautiful color. You're going to love it. Now, if you really want to get that two-tone eyeliner, take out the black and put it really close to that eyelash line. Okay, just put a tiny little bit. But it's not required. Just put a tiny little bit next to that lash line to make those lashes dark, okay? Now, we're talking about other products. So, as I'm finishing this eye, let that dry, I'm going to put on my mascara, which is Epic, and we're going to talk mascara. Because for you ladies, if you don't know this and you love brown and you don't like black, Epic is now going to be available August 20th in brown. Woo, woo, woo. So, if maybe you have white hair, maybe black mascara is too dark for you. Maybe you are auburn or very light strawberry blonde and you prefer brown mascara. I have it now, August 20th. And guess what? We have our own special program, a perks program coming out to you when you order. You can even choose auto ship. You could choose when to auto ship. You can have it 30 days, 45 days, 60 days, 90 days. Okay, and you're going to get $10 back. $10 back for every $100. Okay, so it's boom, just like that. You just get it. You get the perks. You get to keep the perks. Okay, that's awesome. Just happens just like that. Okay, and it's Epic. So it's the same thing as this, but in brown. And now, for you water babies, I have some more exciting news for you. Hey, okay, here it is. I'm going to wait till the barking subsides. Okay. Give me a second. They're still barking. Okay, well, I'm turning the wand around. Okay, so guess what? August 20th. Epic Black comes in waterproof. What? Yes, waterproof. It's going to be available in waterproof. Okay, hey, Loretta. So, that is totally awesome. And now you ladies are going like, well, I'm worried, Rhonda. How am I going to take it off? No problem. Because what? You can use our shine cloths, but we're also coming out with a cleansing stick. What does that mean? What is a cleansing stick? Okay, a cleansing stick is if you're used to having our cleansers, you know, cream cleansers, wash your face. Okay, that's great. You can still do that. But our cleansing stick, you're going to want one of these. You rub it on your face and wipe off. The makeup comes off, including the waterproof mascara. And if you travel a lot, trust me on this one, you travel a lot and you do not check your luggage. So that means you're carrying your little carry-on luggage with you, right? You are limited to how many liquids you can take. Are you with me? Anybody out there? You know what I'm talking about, right? Guess what? It's not a liquid. you can pack it in your carry-on. Can I get a woo woo? Yes, I love that because I'm always trying to consolidate how many liquids I take. Well, now you don't have to worry about that because we have a stick cleanser going to be coming out to you. And if you need help, we're going to do more Facebook Lives. Trust me, I'm going to have more of these so I can show you all these products because I'm not going to do it all in one Facebook Live, okay? So I'm going to show you these products and unveil them to you as we get them, okay? I have one here because guess what? Unique is awesome, and if you went to the convention, you got one for free. What? Yeah, we got one for free, okay? Because they are awesome. Okay, so this is Epic, and I'm putting on Epic so you can see it. The waterproof is going to do the same thing, and I mean waterproof, not water resistant. Waterproof, okay? The waterproof. You could go swimming in it, go snorkeling, enjoy your vacation, okay? Look at, that's Epic. This is what we put on, Epic. So you're going to be able to get it in black, brown, or waterproof in black. Okay? You're going to be able to get auto ship on it. You're going to be able to get your own perks. $10 back for every $100 you spend, accumulated. Okay? And in the perks program, you're going to get free shipping when you do auto ship and you pick 30, 45, 60, or 90 days. And it's a one click. So you could click it and go, yes, I want it. Click it and go, no, I don't want it anymore. So you could one click and you could be done with deciding if you want auto ship on or off. Isn't that awesome? That is pretty awesome. Okay? So many great things to show you in the future and more. Okay, Facebook Live's coming to you. Don't forget, this month's Kudos is the Defend Innocence, and 100% of the proceeds go to the Defend Innocence Foundation. Okay, so it comes with, and I like to call it chrome, it comes with the dip and draw, it comes with the lipstick, and it comes with that pressed shadow. Okay, remember, if you're a Dallas Cowboy fan, if you are a Raider fan, if you I don't know if you any other teams that have that silvery color, you're going to want one of these, and it's limited. So once we're done with Kudos, this is it. That's it. They're gone. Okay, so if you need to pick one up, I'd pick one up now. And the package of 3, $61. $61. Okay, for all 3. That's a deal. Okay, 100% proceeds go to the foundation. Yay! That's it. That's it for today. Okay, so quick and easy. Look at the color. Okay, you could wear it with black. You could wear it with purple. You can wear it with any color. Okay, any color. This will go with any color you choose. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me. And until tomorrow's Facebook Live, I have things piling up. Not to mention, I already have our Super Tip Tuesday lined up for you. Okay, so you don't want to miss this. Make sure you click follow so you get notified first, because I know it's been a little gap with all this travel going on. Make sure that you share this with your friends, because I don't want you to miss out on all the great news that I'm going to bring to you. And say hi. Say hi. Comment below. Say hi. Okay, drop me a heart. Love you all. Thank you for participating today, and we'll talk tomorrow. Bye.